How to start your fast simply and safely. Intro. If you've ever felt called to fast, but then stopped because you didn't know how to begin safely, you are not alone. Many people fail at fasting not because they lack faith, but because they start the wrong way. They start too suddenly and too intensely. They start dry fasting without sufficient preparation, and usually without spiritual clarity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your fast simply, calmly, and safely, without fear, pressure, or extremes. This is not about proving strength. This is about alignment, obedience, and wisdom. Section 1. Start with the right mindset. Before you stop eating, you must first slow your mind. Fasting is not something you rush into. It is something you step into intentionally. Ask yourself quietly, why am I fasting? What am I seeking? Am I doing this from pressure, or from peace? A safe fast always begins with clarity, not urgency. If your spirit feels rushed, anxious, or fearful, then pause. Peace is your green light. Section 2. Begin small. This is key. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is thinking, if I don't go long, it doesn't count. That is not true. Introduce your body, soul, and spirit gradually to dry fasting. Do not rush through. Your body, mind, and spirit must learn fasting gradually and become adapted to dry fasting. For beginners, start with a partial fast. Begin with a short fast of 6 hours duration, from morning to midday, 12 p.m. Move on gradually to a short fast duration of 9 hours. Then to 12 hours, which is the standard Christian fasting duration, often referred to as the 6 to 6 fast. This fast begins 6 in the morning and ends at 6 in the evening. A dawn to dusk fast or a sunrise to sunset fast. Do not start your dry fasting journey with a 24-hour duration or multiple days. A short, focused fast done correctly is far more powerful than a long fast done in fear. Safety is wisdom, not weakness. Section 3. Prepare your body gently. The day before your fast matters. Do not eat heavy, rich, or excessive food right before fasting. Instead, eat lighter meals. Reduce stimulants. Drink enough water, unless spiritually led otherwise. This helps your body transition smoothly and prevents unnecessary discomfort. Remember, a calm body supports a focused spirit. Section 4. Set simple boundaries for your fast. Before you begin, decide how long the fast will be, what you will abstain from, when the fast will end, how you're breaking your fast, what you'll be eating and drinking to break the fast, and the need to get these things set aside before you break your fast. Do not keep this vague. Clear boundaries ensure beginner dry fasting safety. You are not trapped in the fast, you are entering it intentionally. And always remember, you are allowed to stop if your body signals distress. Wisdom honors life. Section 5. Focus on connection, not deprivation. Fasting is not about what you remove. It's about what you replace it with. During your fast, create quiet moments. Reflect, pray, read, listen inwardly. If hunger comes, don't panic. Acknowledge it, breathe deeply, and return to your focus. Discomfort is not danger, but peace is your guide. Section 6. How to break your fast safely. Ending your fast matters just as much as starting it. Do not rush to heavy food. Break your fast gently, small portions. Simple foods. Slow eating. Pause. Give thanks. Honor the process. This protects your body and seals the spiritual work. Closing encouragement. If you remember only one thing, remember this: a safe fast is a successful fast. You do not need to imitate others. You do not need to impress anyone. You only need to walk wisely and faithfully. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how to remain focused and spiritually aligned during your fast, without distraction or burnout. If this helped you, stay connected. You are learning this the right way.